back at the Lindhaus booth today. Today we have the LS38 Lithium Ion vacuum, and this is a really cool vacuum from Lindhaus. And this is great for people who have restaurants, big debris, who don't maybe necessarily need tools, but need a very portable vacuum. So the first thing this has is this has a battery. And Lindhaus uses their own battery system that's interchangeable through quite a few of their products. So that's really nice, and that just slips in the back right here. Now you have a nice lever that releases, that gets nice and low. Your on-off is right there. You have your indicator for your battery, your full bag check indicator. Then you have a gate right here that moves up and down. So if you're doing bigger objects, you can let that in. Now in here, under this cover, and you can see everything is interchangeable on Lindhaus. These are really well-built commercial machines. So if we look in here, HEPA filter optional. We have a nice HEPA style bag. And I think this is probably the coolest thing about the bag, this wide opening. So what this wide opening allows us to do is suck up pens, pencils, anything on the floor really. Which is just quite amazing, and it's really easy to change as well. This bag just kind of rocks in. This one's been in and out a few times at the show. And then this comes up as well if you need to get in there. Your full bag check indicator is adjustable for altitude, so that's nice as well. Everything's heavy duty. You have a bypass motor in there, so you don't have to worry about anything hurting it. And then you have a separate brush motor. And it just seals up like that. Now, the other thing about this machine, I'm going to set it on its side. I didn't put that on right. I'm going to take the battery out just for safety here. You can see the casters there, soft rubber wheels. Nothing that's really going to harm bare floor. It's really pretty cool. And then there's this. So just like some other commercial machines, both brush rollers come in and out of there. And in between the brush roller is the suction channel, that nice wide suction channel. And that's what allows pencils and things, these really heavy duty bearing blocks. I mean, these rollers, these are, if you've used any other Lindhaus product, you can just tell how heavy duty these things are. Just give them a half turn. So very usable, user serviceable in terms of its use. Well, let's give it, we're going to do a pickup test on this. We have our usual mess over here and see how it does. We're going to start with the carpet.
Yeah, you had the pencil sucker up.
Yeah, I did. I saw that. So that did really well and you can notice it's really quiet. I'm sure it'd be far more quiet if you're in a restaurant or a more enclosed space than a big convention center. Now, I do want to explain the first run I did. This has what they call a gate. So it's not a height adjustment. What it is the opening of which this can suck stuff in is in that. And I had it set wrong. So as you saw when I did the second pass, it picked up just fine. But this is a wonderful new product from Lindhaus. It just looks good. It seems to be really high quality as always. So I'm going to go ahead and give that a thumbs up. Definitely give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more footage.